So, hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So, in this particular video, we will be learning about a case study, right? MECE in action. Case study of MECE, mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. Let's dive into the video, guys. Let's dive into the case study. Yeah, I have taken two case studies. So, first scenario is a coffee shop losing a daily customers. So, let's see the problem statement. A local coffee shop notices a local coffee shop notices a drop in daily customers and hires a management consultant to find the reason. So this is a problem statement. So the local coffee shop is seeing the drop in the daily customers. So they hide the management consultant in order to provide some solution strategy, right? Some solution or some strategy. So what management consultant will be doing, he can follow Pareto principle or he can follow MECE principle. So we'll go with the MECE approach, right? So yeah, consultants approach using MECE, mutually exclusive, like no overlapping reasons. There should be no overlapping reasons, but they should be collectively, all reasons should be present, right? So let's see what are the reasons. Okay. First is product issues. Drop in daily customers maybe because of product issues, or maybe because of pricing issues, or maybe because of service issues, or maybe because of location or ambience issues, right? So these are the different categories because of which daily customers can be dropped. Let's see the definitions and all. So product issues are nothing but coffee quality, menu variety, and freshness. So this can be one of the issue. This can be one of the problem because of which drop will be happening in daily customers. Pricing issues will also be one of the reason for the drop in daily customers. It is too expensive compared to competitors. So it may be one of the reason for drop in daily customers. Next is service issues. Slow service, rude staff, long waiting times and waiting hours. Even it may be one of the reason or it may be one of the problem for the dropping of daily customers of the coffee shop. Next is location and ambience. Seating problems, lack of parking, noisy environment. Even it may be one of the issue, right? It may be one of the issue for the drop in daily customers of the coffee shop. So these four are different categories, different reasons. And collectively exhaustive is nothing but we are covering all the reasons are not correct. Apart from these four, there won't be any other reason for the drop in daily customers. So every mutually exclusive is nothing but every reason or every category is different. Every category is different and there will be no overlapping between two categories or two reasons. Collectively exhaustive is nothing but we are covering all reasons or not correct. So apart from these four, nobody can say there will be another reason correct. So these four are the reasons why there is a drop in daily customers, right? Daily customers of the coffee shop. So you understood, right? Mutually exclusive is nothing but different categories or different reasons or different segments. Collectively exhausting is nothing but or like collective exhausting. Sorry, collectively exhaustive is nothing but or all reasons are covering or not correct. Let's see. So if the problem isn't product related, it's pricing related. It is one of the reason. So if it is not pricing, it could be service. If it is not service, the issue might be location or ambience. As simple as that, right? So if one reason is not the reason, like if one reason is not the reason for a drop, there may be second reason, right? So no other major causes outside this category. So there will be at least one reason in this collective exhaustive thing, right? So collective exhaustive, sorry, collective exhaustive is nothing but covering all the reasons or all the categories. As simple as that. So solution. So based upon the MECE framework or MECE framework or MECE concept, we will be getting to know what is a problem and we will be implementing some solution strategies. So let's see what are the solutions. Surveyed customers found that slow service was the biggest issue. So that is one of the biggest issue. And hide the extra staff that increase the customer satisfaction by because extra staff because of extra staff there is no waiting hours, there is no long waiting hours and all those things. as well as there is no slow service and all these things. So reduced wait time by 40%. Introduced a loyalty program. That is nothing but they have introduced a loyalty program where the people who came more than 5 times, they will be getting some discount or some off paisa. Customer satisfaction improved and sales increased by 25%. So by using MECE concept or MECE framework, we can identify the what you can say, we can identify the major causes, major reasons of the problem, major categories of the problem, or you can say major segments, major segmented problems of the business problem or the challenge. So this case study shows that the MECE helps consultant break down problems logically and finds actionable solutions, as simple as that. Next, we will be seeing another case study too. Client's problem. A telecom company is losing customers and they don't know why. Telecom company is nothing but a SIMs are there, right? Airtel, Jio, and all this. These are the telecom companies. So they are losing the customers. For example, if Jio came into the market, after Jio came into the market, Airtel has lost its customers, some of its market share. So, Baisa, our telecom company, Nikil Telecom company, let's assume Nikil Telecom company is losing customers and they don't know why. So they don't know why. So they have hired the management consultant to understand the reason and to identify the reason. Okay. To identify the reason as well as to provide some meaningful insights as well as strategies and solutions, right? So what is a consultant's MECS approach? Let's see. Finding the root cause. Mutually, see, MEC is used for finding the root cause too. What is the perfect exact reason? Karke. So mutually exclusive is nothing but no overlapping of different categories. We'll be segmenting into different categories. We'll be making into different categories and no categories overlapped. Karke. So reasons for churn. Churn is nothing but losing customers. Price issues may be one of the reason, right? Customers find cheaper alternatives. For example, Airtel Jio. Price issues of Airtel, because of price issues of Airtel, customers have moved to Jio. So that may be one of the reason. Network issues. There is no proper network coverage area or frequent call drops. That may be one of the reason. And customer service issues. Long time wait hours, poor support. That may be one of the reason, right? And all these three reasons are not overlapping with each other. Each reason is different and distinct and separate, right? So these are nothing but different reasons, and collectively exhaustive is nothing but covering all possible reasons, all possible causes. As simple as that. So if the issue is in the price, it's sorry. If the issue is in price, it's service. If the issue is in service, it's network, and no other possible reason outside these categories. Why? Because these three are the major issues. Without this, apart from these issues, there is no other major issue, right? So it is used for root cause analysis also. What is causing the major problem for my business? Karke. So consultants recommendation and results. First one is lowered prices for budget constraints. So 20% churn reduction. That is nothing but it has the company has followed this solution strategy, and they have gained some customers, right? They have stopped losing customers. You can say like that. Improved network coverage in weak areas. So 30% churn reduction. Again, by following this, they have again stopped some customers by dropping, by losing. Next is trained customer support teams. 25% increase in customer satisfaction. Even this is one of the what you can say solution strategy, right? So MEC is nothing but we will be ME is nothing but a mutually exclusive where we will be doing segments, doing categories of each region, and each region is not overlapping with each other, and collectively exhausting is nothing but is every reason, every category or every segment is covering or not. Karke. The MECE framework helped identify exact reasons. Like it will be a MECE framework is used to identify exact reasons, exact root cause analysis. For the root cause analysis of the problem or the challenge, business challenge, for the customer churn and creative effective solutions. Because of MECE, we have created effective solutions, right? So key takeaways. in management consulting in this MECE. Use MECE to structure problems clearly. So there will be, if you use MECE, there will be no duplication and there will be no missing, what you can say, missing elements or missing parts. Why? Because uh, no duplication because of mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive causes and no missing parts. So ensures logical thinking and problem solving, makes business analysis more effective, right? As simple as that. Helps consistent break down complex issues, right? Used in case interviews and real projects. As you read in the previous video, in the previous slide or previous video, major companies, major consulting firms will be using MECA the most. So, yeah, this point is saying that only helps consultants, like we can break the complex issues. So that is the reason why we will be using MECE to MECE also. Improves communication with clients. We have learned about this point in the previous video too. They understand the structured solutions faster. By mastering the MECE framework, consultants think clearly, solve problems faster, and present recommendations effectively as intuitive as possible by understanding MECE, right? By categorizing the problems and ensuring, making sure that every category is covered, every reason is covered. The consultants, because of MECE, consultants will be thinking clearly and they will be solving problems, complex problems more faster, right? By because see, management consulting projects will be longing not more than 3 to 4 to 6 months, max to max 6 months. So they have to build the solutions. They have to come up with the tailored solutions as soon as possible, right? So yeah, MECE helps in that also by solving problems faster and present recommendations effectively. So this is about MECE, guys. In the next video, we will be learning some more concepts. In the next videos, we'll be learning some more concepts about management consulting and the management consulting concepts. So bye, guys.